Good morning, students. I am from Lokman Tilak School. Today we are going to read our third chapter. Our third chapter have started. Start हो चुका है. The earth is spherical in shape but appears flat to us. Okay. Earth is called blue planet. Maps and globe help us, and atlas also help us. Okay, first of all, tell me, when do we celebrate Earth Day? 22 April. Clap for Remy. All of you clap for Remy. Very good, Remy. The Earth is the only planet in solar system that solar which has life. हम लोग की अर्थ ही एक ऐसा प्लैनेट है स्टूडेंट्स जिसमें लाइफ पॉसिबल है. About 2/3 of the earth is covered with water. 2/3 अर्थ किससे कवर्ड है? वाटर से. So we also called it blue planet. Another reason, when the picture taken from space, most part of the earth looks blue. Because it looks blue because most of earth's surface is covered with water. Hence the earth is called blue planet. Okay. Globes. What are globes? The earth is huge planet. We cannot see the whole of at one time. So we use small model globes. Okay, globes के बारे में पढ़ा था. Globe is spherical model of the earth. It shows different countries, cities, landforms and water bodies. Okay, globe does not show place located on the earth in detail. डिटेल में नहीं बताता है. Map is a drawing of earth or a part of it on flat surface पे है. It shows detailed places on the earth. Okay, they are different types of maps, different size. Maps are of different size के होते हैं. Small maps can be folded, जो small होते can be folded and carried easily. आप इनको easily carry कर सकते हो. There are large maps too. बड़े बड़े मैप भी आते हैं. That we hang on the walls of our classroom. In classrooms of class Lokman Tilak School, we also have wall maps. Okay. Study room. These maps are called these maps are called wall map. जो वॉल पे लग जाते तो वॉल मैप हो गए. बुक ऑफ मैप इज कॉल्ड एन एटलस. जो मैप की पूरी बुक होती है उसको हम लोग एटलस कहते हैं. वी लोकेट प्लेसेस with the help of the direction. Okay, we locate any place with the help of direction. There are four main direction. North, south, east and west. हाँ, what it is? Kriti Singh, what it is? क्या है ये? Look at the picture. What is it? ये क्या है? हाँ, compass. Don't say compass, it is compass. We can use a compass to find direction. Direction को find करने के लिए we use compass. A compass look like a watch. It's look like a watch and has a needle, and it has a needle also, which points towards the north. Always वो कहाँ indicate करता है? North को. Once we know the north direction, we can easily find other three direction. If we find north direction, it makes us easy to find any direction. Sailors. Who are sailors? Sailor use compass to find direction while sailing. जब वो लोग sail करते हैं, sailor people who work on a boat, ship or a cruise. बोट पे, शिप पे और क्रूज पे वर्क करने वाले को सेलर कहते हैं. सो कंपास हेल्प his or her to find out direction while sailing. Okay, recap of the chapter. About 2/3 of the earth is covered with the water. Okay, is it clear? 2/3 of the earth is covered with water. The earth is also known as blue planet, so we called it blue planet. Globes are small models of the earth. What are globes? Globes are the small model of the earth. uh, have you seen globes? कितने बच्चों ने globes की देखा है? Raise your hand. Have you seen a globe? Have you seen any globe? Very good, Ashish. Kriti, have you seen? Niharika, Kriti, Sarvagya, Rimi, have you seen the globe? Okay. Big maps that can be hang on the wall are called wall maps. जो big maps होते हैं we can hang it on the wall. Okay. There are 4 main directions. Name them. Ayush, name 4 directions. North, south, east and west. Very good. A compass is used to find direction. Okay. Okay, choose the correct answer. Fill in the blanks. The earth is known as dash planet. कौन सा planet कहते हैं? सर्वज्ञ. Blue planet. Very good, Sarvagya. About 2/3 of earth is covered with Kriti water. Okay. We use a dash to find directions. Ashish, हाँ कंपास. मैं जिससे पूछूंगी आंसर वही देगा 4. A dash is a spherical model of the earth. आशीष, नो बेटा, ग्लोब. मैप is not a model of earth. Answer the following question. Okay. Unscramble the letter to form a new word. First word is globe. Second word is directions. Okay. Third word is atlas. Fourth word is surface. Fifth is north. Okay. Okay children, now in your SST copy write the name of the chapter, number of the chapter, put the date here. First of all write the hard words, then these hard words and define terms. Okay, write in your copy. Then answer the following questions. Okay children, good day. Complete your work in your copy. Your writing should be neat and clean. Okay beta. Okay, good day.